I'm not much of a Peterbilt guy, but that is a beautiful Peterbilt truck. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. A lot of chrome to polish and keep up on. It's a beautiful truck, Mark Jones. It's amazing all the little detail stuff that guys don't think about, like the chrome caps on the axle ends, or all the little chrome caps on the fenders, and all the bolts that have the chrome caps on them. I mean, this thing has had so much detail, so much thought that has gone into the small nickel dime detail things. I mean, it's just unreal. Put a lot of time into thinking about all this. It's pretty awesome. What an awesome truck.